Good night, my name is Ryan and this is a video showing you how to configure Dhcp server on Windows 2008. Now Dhcp stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and it basically allows individual computers on an IP network to extract their configuration from a server. So I'm going to click start and I'm going to type in run, and in run I'm going to type in ncpa.cpl and click OK, and this is a shortcut to access the network connectivity. I'm going to right click this local area connection and I'm going to click properties. I'm going to click IPv4 and as you can see I already have my IP address assigned, so there's no need for me to configure that. I'm going to click OK. This was just to show you the procedure you would need to do in the event that you do not already have an IP address previously assigned. So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to go into my server manager now. I'm going to go in the top left hand corner of my screen. I'm going to select roles, and now what I would like to do is go across to the right hand of the screen and click add roles. Okay. Now I'm going to click next. I'm going to select this DHCP server box in the center of your screen. I'm going to give that a little tick. And now I'm going to click next. Now we're at a screen where it describes the DHCP server. A brief description of it. You can read that if you like. However, I'm going to press next. I'm going to press next again. My domain is already assigned. My IP address is already assigned, so I'm going to press next. I'm going to leave that wins option at the top of your screen as it is, and then I'm going to select next again. And now it's time to add my roles. I'm going to put in a domain, starting IP address and ending IP address. This is probably the most important part of the video. It's very important. My scope name is going to put scope 1. I'm going to keep it simple. Now I need to put a starting IP address. I'm going to put 10.0.0.10. My ending IP address, I'm going to type in 10.0.0.20. And now I'm going to enter a subnet mask of 255.0.0.0. Why this is the most important step? Well, because here you can create a scope, which is the block of the IP, which will be assigned to your clients. It allows us to define the range of the IP address that will be assigned to the clients itself. So now that I've configured that, I'm going to click OK. There's my scope. Everything seems to be in order. I'm going to click next. I will not be configuring an IPv6. I'm using IPv6. I'm using IPv4, so I'm going to leave that as it is and just click next. Once again, I'm going to ignore this screen and click next again. I'm going to ignore the screen as well and click next. This confirmation, and it's an administrator. I'm going to click next. And now we are ready to install our DHCP. I'll click that install button. And I'm going to pause the video while this installs because it may take some time. Okay, we're back. My DHCP server has been successfully installed. I'm going to click close. Now that my server is configured, I would like to see if my client's IP address are within the scope I created. So I'm going to have to log on to my Windows 7 and my Windows Vista and verify that. So I'm on my Windows 7 now. Now let's see if my scope is assigned. I'm going to go into the start menu here and I'm going to click. I'm going to go into the command prompt, CMD. I'm going to type in IP config. Now as you can see there, I've been given an IP address of 10.0.0.0.10. That was the beginning of the scope I entered in the earlier part of the video. And that has been assigned to my first client, which is my Windows 7. So far so good. Now let's check my Windows Vista and let's see which IP address it will be assigned. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to go in my start menu. I'm going to type in CMD to get my command prompt, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to type in IP config. Let's see what IP address we are assigned. As you can see, I've been given an IP address of 10.0.0.0.11. Now why is that? You see, every time a client is given access to a network, it will be incremented by 1 until it reaches the end of the scope. So the beginning of my scope was 10.0.0.10. That was given to the Windows 7. Then I added a second client, which was my Windows Vista, so it was incremented by 1. So that's why I was given this address 10.1.0.0.11. If I also add a third client, the address will be 10.0.0.0.12, and it will continue so until it reaches the end of my scope, which is 10.0.0.0.20. So that was my video. Thank you for watching. We are successful.